from the Lake District. This is my boyfriend Louis.
Hi guys.
He is my boyfriend.
Did I do good? did I do enough?
We met on a mountain, which is very romantic. We met on the summit of Cribgoch back in December, and this is his YouTube debut. Actually, no, it's not.
It's not.
He was in the YouTube video from that day.
I'll show a clip right now.
Which we'll show you right now.
Yeah.
Do you want to be in the YouTube video? Yeah. Yay! So that is the fateful day where I met my love. Wait, doesn't fateful mean bad? Fateful's bad, isn't it?
No.
Oh, oh no, fateful, like fate. It was fate. So yeah, so that was the day we met. Now we're in the Lake District. So I haven't filmed anything for a while. Thought I would get the camera back out, blow off the cobwebs and the dust, and film our little adventure. We're not entirely sure what we're going to do. It's a random Wednesday. We came up last night. We decided to just take a few days off midweek and have an adventure. We want to climb a mountain, we want to find a waterfall, we want to explore the lakes. So yeah.
And this lady's off the road. Thank you.
We'll try not to run anybody over, and we will take you along for the journey. We're just driving through the Langdale Valley, which is so beautiful. Can't get over these views.
Get on the roof. Get on the roof. Got a car there.
Oh my god. And that is what it is like dating Louis.7. We've just set off. We just parked up in Langdale.
You're upsetting me.
So we're in the Langdale Valley and we're off to find Whorneyside Force waterfall, which I think is about 45-minute walk from here, and it's a gorgeous day, and yeah, see how we go. So I think I'm just about to see the top of it over there. I think that is it. I hope it is, because I'm so hot and I want to get in the waterfall. Wow. I'm so hot and sweaty, but we found it. That's Whorneyside. We actually found this with zero navigation today because we didn't have any signal. We just followed the river up, and here we are. That water looks so inviting right now. Oh my god, so happy. So we've just left Whorneyside. My hair is already nearly dry. That is how hot it is today. It's absolutely gorgeous, but it was so nice, and it's just amazing. We found it without any navigation, which was fun. We just kind of followed the river up and had a bit of exploring and had a wonderful swim. So we're just heading back now in the gorgeous sunshine, and we're going to go get some lunch at the Dungeon Gill Inn and just enjoy this wonderful, lovely, sunny, gorgeous, warm summer day. Morning, it's our second day in the lakes. Yesterday we finished up on up in Langdale, and we just had a nice chilled evening by Windermere. We put the hammock up and we had some food and drinks and watched the sunset, and it was pretty amazing. So today we're just going to go and explore a few places that we've heard of or had on our list, and this is one of the first ones. Where is it? Where's the sign?
There.
Boda Stone.
It's a big rock.
It's a big rock.
Oh, look, hang on.
Well, there it is. There's the rock. Not really. That's not really enough. I see it. This is the view.
And it's lovely.
And it is, I'm trying not to fall over, and it is it's beautiful. There we go.
Also, for any of the climbers out there or boulderers, there's a ton of routes on this rock, so if you are in the lakes, you should definitely come check this out.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. So we're in Stonethwaite, having a cheeky little drink, and then we're heading up Langstrath Beck to go find some waterfalls and maybe dipping pools, and just to go explore.
Mm-hmm.
So that's the plan for the rest of the day, and then probably more drinking and enjoying the sunshine.
Yeah.
Yay. Cool, Grace. The pub is in sight.
We made it.
We've made it. Oh, it's there.
See it.
It's there. It's so hot. We've done so many miles. But yeah, this weekend has kind of turned into a wild swimming, waterfall hunting, wet and wild weekend.
It's been very good.
It's been awesome.
Very good.
It's not even a weekend, it's a Tuesday, Wednesday, so I don't know what I'm talking about. But yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. We're going to enjoy the rest of our evening in the Lake District, and look forward to filming another video soon. Yeah, bye.
Bye. Who knows? Hi. Hi, so I'm Grace Adventures, and I'm off on another exciting hike in the Lake District. You don't have to put that in.
I can put that in.
How do you tell when it's recording? Oh yeah, hi. You can't see it on the back screen.
You just dropped £5.